feel that irresistible pull of the city, a rhythm that syncs with your own. It's not just about the buildings and the buzz, it's a movement, a pulse, a vibrant motion culture. This is the story of how the city moves you, how it shapes your experiences, and how you become an integral part of its ever-evolving dance. From the moment you step outside, the city's electric energy starts to flow, a tangible force that permeates every aspect of urban life. It's in the quick footsteps on the bustling sidewalks, the low rumble of the subway cars as they snake through the underground, the flash of headlights that paint streaks of light across the night. It's a symphony of constant motion, a dynamic interplay of elements, and you, as a resident or a visitor, are inextricably woven into its intricate design. This isn't just about the mundane task of getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience, the subtle energy exchange that occurs with every interaction, the way the city's unique environment shapes your day, your perspective, and even your mood. Think about your daily commute, a daily ritual that connects you to the urban fabric, the crowded train, a metal cocoon, filled with a diverse array of individuals, the shared glances, the unspoken understanding between strangers bound by a common journey, the rhythmic sway of the train, a mechanical heartbeat that propels you forward. It's a collective dance, a ritual of motion that repeats itself day after day. Each person plays a vital role, contributing to the city's overall rhythm, however small, and within this collective experience, there's a unique individual journey, a personal response to the urban ballet, a personal narrative unfolding with each passing moment. The city's motion culture influences everything, subtly shaping your thoughts, the speed with which you process information, the way you make decisions, and even the clothes you choose to wear. The pervasive need for speed, for efficiency, and for constant adaptation becomes ingrained within your very being. You learn to navigate the beautiful chaos, to find your place within the constant flow of people, vehicles, and information. Your body becomes a highly tuned tool for navigating this complex environment, and the way you move, your gait, your posture, reflects this constant adaptation to the urban landscape. Look around you. Notice how the city inspires and celebrates various forms of movement, each a testament to human creativity and adaptability. Street performers captivate passers-by with their mesmerizing art, mirroring the city's dynamic energy and reflecting its vibrant pulse. Cyclists weave expertly through the flow of traffic, embracing a sense of freedom, efficiency, and the thrill of speed. Runners pound the pavement with a determined rhythm, finding solace, strength, and a connection to the city within the concrete jungle.